Hi guys, it's Shola and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be on hair growth using rice water. First, I'm going to rinse the grains to remove the dirt and impurities from the water. I'm going to mix the water and the rice together using my hand. You can use any other method that you want to. And I'm just going to mix it until I see the water getting cloudy for a few seconds. You can use any type of organic rice that you want, that you have around the house, or you can go to the store. White or brown rice is okay as long as it's organic. As you can see, the water is cloudy, so you can go ahead and just drain that out. After draining out the dirty water, you want to go ahead and add some new clean water and prepare the rice water for the fermentation method. For the fermentation method, the rice water is to be left to sit for 24 hours. This helps the efficiency of the rice water once it's used on your hair. The fermented rice water is rich in antioxidants, minerals, vitamin B, and vitamin E. Rice water has been used by Asian women for many, many years for the enhancement of their hair and skin. For efficient fermented rice water, you want to transfer the rice water into something like a jar or a bottle for the 24 hours. I also scooped some rice into the bottle along with the water. It has been 24 hours and the rice water should be fermented. It was transferred into a spray bottle to be used on my hair. I started off by sectioning my hair in half. I kept sectioning as I went to efficiently distribute the rice water into my hair. Let's see what rice water can do for my 4C Nigerian hair. See you in 2 weeks for an update, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you guys later.